Today we will talk about another fresh patent application filed by Amazon related to voice assistants, also known as AI speakers. We will discover from the patent why smart speakers need display, why inventors proposed stand-up tablet instead of traditional voice assistant with microphones and speakers and voice interface. By the way, you can think about it by yourself and then watch the video. I'm Valery Prushinskiy. I'm telling about inventions and patents from point of view of theory of inventive problem solving. Thank you everyone for attending my pre-conference training about basics of hybridization. If you like our TRIZ videos, please continue watching our iTRIZtv channel, like and subscribe. Okay, inventors of voice assistants faced a problem. Millions of users like voice assistants and they are happy with voice interface, but very often, as in popular saying, it's better to see something once than hear about it 1,000 times. For example, after request to find classic short by XYZ brand, voice assistant can provide top results as on this picture. But if we have voice assistant without screen, it can try to explain that it found blue t-shirt with white picture, but it would be too long, boring and not always well understandable by user. But voice assistant with display will show top variants, will display price and repeat it by voice, and this way it will reduce time of conversation dramatically. The remaining part of user is to tell purchase number 1 and listen the response. Yes, sir. Your order is placed. Your total is $22.62. It will arrive on Friday. Now, from TRIZ point of view, I see here hybridization of voice assistants with the tablets. Also, one can see development of mixed or hybrid interface when user request carried out by voice and AI speaker response with mixed audio-visual interface assisting in fast answers. That's it. Learn TRIZ. I'm Valery Prushinskiy. I'm telling about inventions and patents from point of view of theory of inventive problem solving. I invent with TRIZ tools, and recently article about one of my patents was published by some digital publishers. The links are behind me right now and under the video. And if you like our video, like, discuss and subscribe. See you next time.